In the next minutes I'll tell you how you can get a lot of free content that will help you build an online income. Welcome to my online business career. My name is Emil Christensen, and how would you like some free content to help you building an online business? I will offer you 3 things for free: a 3 online coaching series, a 3 ebook, and a 3 Mercedes. First of all, the 3 online coaching series. Here you have the opportunity to subscribe to an email series that will explain you step by step some serious money-making secrets. If you'd like to know more about that, click on the button or the link below the first row. The ebook. The ebook is called the Cash Cow Model, and it will explain how you can generate $100,000 in less than 12 months online. If you'd like to know more about that and read the ebook totally for free, you should click on the link or the button below the second row. You also have an opportunity to get someone to pay for you driving a Mercedes. If you'd like to know how all that works, click on the link or the button below the third row, and it will explain you in more detail.